going to play a game called Sound Effects. This is a game for Ryan and Colin, so come on down, guys. And we're going to need a volunteer or two from the audience, so who are we going to use? Tell me your name. What's your name? Mags. Mags, you're adorable, Mags. Head down to the stage. Who else? Well, hello there. Tell me your name.
Marty.
Marty? Come with me, Marty. Come on down. Mags and Marty, everybody, say hello. Microphone. Join the guys up on stage. This is going to be so fun. Okay, so here's how this game works, all right? Ryan and Colin are going to perform a scene, all right? And Mags and Marty are going to provide the sound effects, but only when prompted. So you want to watch what these guys are doing and then try to give them some sounds that make sense for what they're doing, although nothing makes sense in this show. So, Mags, you're going to provide the sound effects for Colin, and Marty, you're going to provide the sound effects for Ryan, okay? And the scene is that Ryan is a dentist and Colin is his flirtatious assistant. And they're working on a patient when suddenly they have to flee to safety when the clinic is attacked by robots from the future. Take it away.
Drill.
Absolutely. Let me just try it first. Good enough.
Suction. I'm gonna have to let you go.
Oh, why?
Well, number one, you've just walked through the patient. You're on the patient's head.
Listen, what's that noise from outside the office? We open the window. Look, a giant spaceship. It's raining, too.
It's a suction.
Look, killer robots.
Beeble, 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 beeble.
Be calm. I'll try to talk to them through this megaphone.
Hello, we are here.
Nice to use the robot dialect.
Oh, you had to hurt the hole.
It's a lot of settings.
It really is. Oh, they're shooting lasers.
Pew, pew, pew.
Arrows. Oh, let's run to safety.
Okay. Let's go up into the tower where all the guns are.
All right. I forgot this is the safest dentist office in the world.
Oh, here we are. Now we can look down upon them and shoot them if we want.
Do you think we'll be safe up here?
You will be safe with this shotgun. It's all wet. How did it get wet?
I don't. I'll use the bazooka.
All right. That's a machine gun.
I'm a girl. I don't know about weapons.
It sounded just like your damn drill. All right, stand back. Hand grenade ought to do it. Oop, boom. Oh, come up here. It's too close.
That was my good eye.
No, I thought I threw it quick.
Oh, look, they're still marching towards us. Oh, that one's tap dancing, so that's...
Try to be sexy around them. Maybe if you're sexy, can it do it?
Nothing.
Oh. You all right?
No, I just had some burritos.
Marty and Mags, everybody! I'm taking 15 points away from Colin for making that nurse the dumbest girl ever.
She wasn't that
dumb. Made me dumb. But you were very sexy, so 15 points back to you.
That's what I was going for.
Yes, very sexy in a Santa Clausy kind of way.
Thank you. I don't think that's a compliment.